This is a 2018 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. The color of this Ultra Limited is Silver Fortune Metallic and Sumatra Brown Metallic. It's a cloudy day today, so you really can't see the metallic in the paint, but in the sun it really sparkles. This bike is in like new condition, very low miles, with only 3,659 miles on the odometer. Being an 18, it's equipped with a 107 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine. Bike is just in like new condition. The seat's in excellent condition. There's no holes, no tears, no cuts. Has the smart security system with 2 fobs, ABS brakes, heated grips, painted inner fairing. Has the 6.5 inch boom stereo system that has the AM, FM, weather band, Bluetooth, navigation. You can Bluetooth your music into the stereo system, or you can plug it in. It is a color touch screen, so it's easy to navigate through it. Of course, it has cruise control. The bike comes equipped with one Harley Davidson cord and headset. It has the luggage for the tour pack and also for the saddlebags, which come in real handy when you're traveling. Just grab your bags and go. You don't have to worry about trying to unpack all your gear that's running loose in the saddlebags. It's really a nice color. Has the redesigned fairing for better aerodynamics. Also has the vent to reduce buffeting on the rider and also the passenger. Being an 18, it has the redesigned frame, redesigned steering. Handles great, looks great. With the 107 in it, you have plenty of power and torque to get you and your passenger and all your gear up and down the hills and down the highway. Excellent touring bike. Nice luggage rack on the back for extra gear. The exhaust system is stock, so you can either leave it the way it is or put your choice of pipes on it. Intake is stock. 6-speed transmission. Well, I wasn't quite right on the mileage. It's 3,569 original miles. 2018 Limited also has the LED headlight, LED driving lights, LED fender tip light in front, LED lights on the tour pack. So you have a lot of visibility on this road, on this Limited, and on the road. People can see you and you can see where you're going. For information on how to put this beautiful 2018 Limited in your garage, please call Will. It can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can also be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.